Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change name on Monzo. So if you want to get that done, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Monzo account, either using the web application or the mobile application. So before we proceed, I'd like to show you how to create an account on Monzo if you do not have one. The first thing that you need to do is to launch any browser of your choice, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type monzo.com. Once you do, that's going to take you to this official website staring at you. At the top right corner, you're going to find the sign up button. So click on the sign up button, and once you do that, follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. So there's one thing that you need to know. Creating a Monzo account means you are residing in the UK. So this implies that Monzo is strictly for UK residents only. All right, so if you're a UK resident or you're residing there and then you have successfully created your Monzo account, then why not? If not, we're going to show you how to go about that. But not all of us have the luxury of creating a Monzo account, but we have the knowledge needed to help you through with all of the features in Monzo. That's why we have created this video to show you how you can change your name on Monzo. Pretty simple. Now, if you want to change your legal name, then you need to provide Monzo with some form of ID to verify the change. Now, this can be something like a driver's license. You may be asked to provide your driver's license or your passport issued since your name changed, or your marriage certificate or deed poll. So once you have provided all of these details, just have all of these certificates ready, because you'll be asked to enter each of the certificates in the process. So once you have that ready, you will need to chat to us. That you need to chat to Monzo through the application to change your name. So this is how you can chat them up. The first thing that you need to do is to tap the help icon in the menu bar. Help icon in the menu bar. That's in the home page right there, your home screen. You're going to see help. So tap help in the menu bar. And the menu bar is actually at the bottom corner of your screen, of your home screen. So tap help, and then once you click on that, search changing your legal name. All right, the search button or the search bar is usually at the top corner of the screen. So type changing your legal name in the search bar, and once you do that, then tap get in touch at the bottom of the articles. So once you click on changing your legal name, you're going to find an article that's just going to walk you through the process. And then at the bottom of the article, you're going to find get in touch. So click on get in touch, and then they're going to ask you to provide some details, which of course is going to require the certificates that, or the ID, the certificates that we have initially outlined. That's your ID, your driver's license, your passport, marriage certificate, or deed poll, any of these. So you need to get that in hand. We do not say you should get all. It's not just all, like get a valid ID, any of these. So just select one that you have. So once you have clicked on get in touch, they're going to walk you through some process. You're going to have to ask some questions. You're going to have to provide the ID, and then a couple of things that are self-explanatory and not too tedious. All right, so just follow through with the process, and then you'll be able to change your legal name on Monzo. It's not difficult. Just follow the process. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're doing, be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.